So imagine this, you're driving away, Spotify on blast, Google Maps trying its best to stop you from missing yet another exit. And slowly that demand you're asking of your phone is turning your phone into a literal baked potato. Charging really slow, and if you're using another third-party mount, then your phone being gripped in place could be like a cat on a windowsill. Well, ESR may have just fixed all of that. Today we're looking at the ESR Qi2 magnetic wireless car charger. Let's take a look. Okay, so first, ESR sent this over and I've been testing it for a few days now, and spoiler alert, it's staying in the car. Now here's the thing, I've been rocking the ESR Mini Dashboard Mount since I've had this car for about 7 months or so, and that also has the Halolock system. It's solid, it's got a snappy MagSafe compatible stability, it's compact, it's got a clean aesthetic, but the only downside about that is that it's only a mount, no native charging, and only by directly plugging the cable into the phone are you going to get any sort of charging, which are all immediately improved by this one charger that can do it all. So the new Qi charger, it's like they took everything I liked and injected it with that Qi2 rocket fuel. Now let's talk power. This supports the new Qi2 standard, which basically means you can push out up to 15 watts of wireless charging to your device. But why is that better? The older Qi1 chargers, they were fine, but had a bit of a habit of not aligning just right. So your phone would sort of charge, but slowly. But Qi2 fixes that. It locks your phone into the perfect charging position every time. So not only are you getting faster charging, I'm talking about 50% in like half an hour, you're also getting more consistent charging. Now I ran a full test of the charging capabilities of this charger with my iPhone 15 Pro, and it went from 17% to 50% in exactly 2 hours and 3 minutes while I was driving. On a round trip to London, which is about a 2-hour drive each way, with Apple Maps running the whole time, the phone started at 100%, and by the end of the journey it was still on 100% the entire way there. So this is not just about charging, it's about having that power on demand. I'm able to use it to exactly how I want to do in the car, and then when I want to finish my car journey, I'll take it off and I've got all of that juice. So, and it's still totally wireless, no ports, just snap on and go. As we know, charging causes your phone to heat up, and a hotter phone decreases the charging efficiency. But this has CryoBoost. Like other ESR products that I've tested on this channel, having something that cools your phone while charging makes such a difference when it comes to efficiency and the time that it takes to charge. Now inside here there is a built-in cooling fan underneath the mount, so while you're fast charging it's actively keeping your phone cool. In a silent car you may hear the fans, but over the engine you probably won't. And you get that nice blue aura coming from the mount, giving that nice aesthetic look. You can actually use your phone maps, calls, music without the charge speed dropping, obviously in legal ways. So it's like having aircon, but for your phone. Now, if you've ever had a magnetic mount that has come loose and thrown your car into the passenger seat, then this part's for you. Now, I've always loved ESR's Halolock system accessories. Almost all of the mounts I use for my iPhones have ESR's Halolock system, and having used and still use various ESR products from like cases to car mounts, table mounts and chargers, I can't remember a single time where the phone has ever slipped from whatever mount it's been attached to. But the magnetic hold on this Qi2 charger, it's so strong. I've literally tried to shake my phone on purpose, but it hasn't even budged once. It's just holding it really tight and it's aligning it perfectly. In the box for this charger you get the Halolock charging pad, an air vent mount, a dash mount and a USB-C to USB-C cable. Now with the two mounting accessories, you can decide whether you want to mount the charger on the car's vent or on another flatter surface like the dashboard. And you'll find with the clamp strength, it will fit almost any straight line vents that are either horizontal or vertical, but not circular vents. And because of the positions of the vents on my car, I've decided to attach the mount to the dashboard here. So first I need to clean the area with the supplied wet and dry wipes and attach the dash mount to the dashboard. Now once that period is over, attach the charging pad, adjust the pad angle and attach the USB-C cable to the bottom of the charging pad into your car's USB port. So is it worth the upgrade, or just having one if you haven't got one in your car? If you're using a MagSafe iPhone, then yes. If you're tired of your phone overheating, charging slowly or dropping off the Mount mid-turn, absolutely. For the price, you're going to get a fast charging of up to 15 watts, active cooling and rock solid Halolock stability. Now, a big thanks to ESR for sending this over. It's greatly appreciated, and if you do want to get your hands on this, I'll leave the link to it in the description below. If you like this video, press that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.